That go crazy.
What exhaust is that?
You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv, man, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy, man. Listen, you see the title of the thumbnail. You see the title of the video, thumbnail of the video. Listen, we're gonna go ahead and get straight right into it, right? Check this out. I'm out here right now at the TGI Fridays in Camp Creek, Atlanta, and there's a Outkast Atlanta monthly meet. This is the same car meet from about, I don't know, 8 to 10 videos ago, and they were telling me they wanted me to join the car club or whatnot. I just decided to come out here and see what what the vibes are like, and look at the new cars that could be potentially in the club. But let me tell you, there are a lot of cars. There's a lot of stuff that's going on for the community. If you haven't already, if you're new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I think about 80% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It'll go a long, long way in supporting the channel, man. Find your way back to JamesAtkinsTv. Let me show you guys some of the cars out here. It's a community event today. Back to school, kids getting backpacks, school supplies. They're playing a lot of music as well, so I don't know how much of this I'll be able to record continuously, but I'm gonna show you some of the cars out here right now. Y'all, I showed y'all this yellow Corvette at the last meet. Finally got a chance to chop it up with the owner here. And he says that he got all of his work done at RPI Designs. And they did a pretty good job at color matching that yellow to the factory yellow. It's a tad off, but it looks really good. It looks real good. Check out this too. Carbon fiber, black and yellow carbon fiber. He got that yellow all up and throughout the car, man. It looks real good.
When you powder coated them, I'm on the 06 flat. A place in Margiela did it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to get a chance to show y'all where my car is parked at right now, next to these C8s behind me. Check this out, y'all. They got the live band in the background, so hopefully y'all can hear me right now. Look at the C8s right here, man, all parked up together. There's some more around here. I was trying to find the Zeus bronze one that's out here, but
the time has come for us to stop messing around.
Y'all should have seen this one on my channel before as well. C7, C6s. Check out this C7, y'all. That boy clean. Got details all up and through it. Carbon fiber. Nice. Every month, focusing on the community, bringing people out. Nothing but positivity out here, man. I like it. out with the Z06 real quick. '40s on the wheels, ready tires. My man said he put 1100 on each side. Z06. C7 Grand Sport. C7 Grand Sport. You got the ZR1 body kit, front end splitter, side skirts. It's a very aggressive stance, and it sit real low too. But I like it, y'all. What y'all think, man? Tell me what y'all think. Y'all like this Grand Sport? Drop a comment below. Check out this C8 that just arrived, y'all. Blue C8. Got a carbon fiber side skirt. Carbon fiber front lip. Nice splitter. LT1 though. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, LT2. LT2.
What I didn't realize is the front end was so
LT2, black with the yellow stitching with the yellow. Man, this is nice, y'all. What y'all think? It kept the Corvette center caps, FABSPEED exhaust. I didn't even see him pull up, so I ain't even get a chance to hear it. But I think the most unique piece though, yeah, this right here. On the convertible. Let me know what y'all think, man. This is LT3. Why was I so disrespectful? See the Alcantara? Nice, man. Carbon fiber on the side mirror. Yeah, he went fully loaded on this one. He went fully loaded on this one for sure. That's that FABSPEED. That goes crazy.
What exhaust is that?
Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop a like on the video. Comment down below on the best car that you've seen out here that you like the most, all right? I think I'm about to go ready to get up out of here. I'm sweating, been sweating for the last couple of hours. It's hot outside, it's like 95 degrees. Nonetheless, man, I want to make sure y'all folks definitely hit that subscribe button. Come back and see your boy JamesAtkinsTv on another video for more content. But until next time, man, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTv.